Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of connecting a bank account to TallyPrime. This enables you to enjoy the benefits of the connected banking services introduced in TallyPrime Release 6.0. You will also know how to reconnect or disconnect a bank account from TallyPrime. First, let's see how to connect your bank account. Press Alt-Z, all banking options, and select Bank Connections. If you have not logged into Connected Banking already, then you will need to log in. Press F6 to establish a new connection. Select the relevant bank. You can see that a connection ID gets generated. Press C to connect and you will be redirected to the bank portal. Based on the bank that you have selected, you can follow the authentication process on the respective bank portal. Once you have completed the steps on your bank portal, you can open TallyPrime. Press S to refresh the status. The connection with the bank account is now successful. In the Bank Connections report, you will be able to see the status of the connection as successful along with its validity. Press Shift-Enter on the relevant row. You will see the bank accounts that got linked and the respective bank ledger names in the company data. This allows you to get bank statements and balance online and perform other connected banking activities. To learn the process, refer to the video links provided in the description. Now, let's see how to reconnect the bank account. The connection might be expired after its validity. In such cases, you need to reconnect your bank account. Select the bank and press F7 to manage the bank connection. Press F6 to reconnect. Select the relevant bank. You can see that a connection ID gets generated. Press C to connect and you will be redirected to the bank portal on your web browser. You can now establish the connection between your bank accounts and TallyPrime. In a different scenario, after initiating the connection, the authentication on the bank portal might get interrupted. So, in TallyPrime, the connection status with the bank will be in progress. In such a case, when you reconnect, you need to follow all the steps on the portal. When you do not want to use your bank accounts through connected banking, you can disconnect. In the Bank Connections report, press F7 to manage the bank connection. Press Alt F6. Now, press D to disconnect the bank account. Press Y to confirm. You can then follow the process of disconnection based on the bank. If you want to connect your bank account again, then you will need to establish a new connection. As you saw, you can connect your bank account in a matter of clicks and then enter the required details on the portal to establish a connection. In case the connection has expired, you can reconnect your bank account. When you do not want to use your bank account through connected banking, you can disconnect it. Now that you know the process of connecting your bank accounts to TallyPrime, you can watch our videos how to check your bank balance using connected banking in TallyPrime and how to get bank statements using connected banking in TallyPrime. The links are in the description. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.